Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a school administrator account from an HP laptop. First, you'll need to back up all your important files. This process will completely erase everything on the laptop, so data preservation is key. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and fully charged to avoid interruptions during the procedure. Next, we'll access the recovery options. Restart your HP laptop while simultaneously holding down the Shift key. This action will bring up the Advanced Startup menu. From there, navigate to Troubleshoot and then select Reset this PC. This is the crucial step to initiate the system reset. Now, you'll need to choose how to reset your PC. Select Remove Everything to ensure all data, including the administrator profile, is completely wiped. Then, opt for Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows from the device itself. Confirm your choices to begin the factory reset, which typically takes about 30 minutes. After the reset is complete, your HP laptop will restart. You'll then be guided through the initial Windows setup process, just like a new computer. Create a new local administrator account to gain full control. Finally, reinstall your essential applications and restore any data you backed up earlier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.